Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey, and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's mealtime mentors. Today we're making a restaurant favorite in our very own kitchen.
Yes, today we are making two. That's why we have a lot going on here.
Oh, yeah.
We're making two different types of potato skins. We're making a bacon and cheddar potato skin and then a chipotle chicken sweet potato skin.
Yes, we have a lot to do today, so let's get started.
Yes.
So to start, we've already baked our potatoes. We're using russet potatoes for the bacon and cheddar, and then of course sweet potatoes for the chipotle chicken. We've already baked them, let them cool, and then cut them in half and scooped out the flesh from them and left about 1/4 of an inch around the edges, just so they can hold up to everything that we're gonna put in them.
Especially sweet potatoes.
Oh yeah. So I'm going to work on the sweet potatoes. I'm just going to brush both sides of the skins with some olive oil to help them get nice and crispy in the oven.
And I'm going to get working on our base for our russet potatoes. It's very similar ingredients. Of course, we have olive oil, and then we have some Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, salt, paprika, and pepper. And I'm just going to give this a whisk.
I like that yours kind of has a fun like seasoning that goes on it, not
Yes.
just, the oil. That's fun.
Yeah. I'm going to steal a little bit of your oil just
Do
to
it,
thin this
yes.
out a little bit.
These are a fun, of course, like a very traditional appetizer. But I think with everything that we're putting in these, I would eat these for a meal as well.
Oh, for sure. All right. So I have to do the same thing with our
Yes.
russet potatoes.
Finishing up with this.
I will be
brush.
brushing them both sides.
There you are.
Sneak this a little bit
Yes,
closer.
so while Lauren's working on that, brushing the russet potatoes, I'm going to work on the chipotle chicken for the sweet potato skins. So in a baking dish, I just have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. To this, I'm going to add some olive oil, some garlic, some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. These are those peppers you can get in the can. Some chili powder, onion powder, some ground cumin, lime zest, which I think is my favorite ingredient in these
Oh, it's so good.
chicken breasts. It makes them taste so flavorful. And then some salt and pepper. And I'm just going to toss this a little bit, get this chicken nice and coated. This makes such a flavorful
I
chicken.
love that chicken. You could use
Yeah.
that for lots of different things.
Yes, and depending on the size of your potato skins, like you can see our russets are a little bit smaller, and of course the sweet potatoes are a little bigger, the amount of filling might vary. So you might end up with some leftover, which is not the worst thing in the world.
No, it's delicious.
All right, so this chicken is going to bake at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes, really just until the chicken is cooked through. And then in that last 5 minutes of cooking, we'll add our spinach to cook down with the chicken.
Yes, and our skins cook at the same temperature, 425. We'll cook our skins for 10 minutes on this side. We'll pull them out, we'll flip them, cook them for an additional 10 minutes. And that might vary a little bit, but really we just want them nice and crispy.
All right, so we are back with our potato skins. They're nice and crispy, and then we have our chipotle chicken that's cooked through. We've gone and shredded it with some forks as well. So I'm gonna go on and fill our sweet potato skins with our chicken mixture, and then I'm gonna top with some cheddar cheese.
And for our bacon and cheddar potato skins, of course, it's bacon and cheddar. So we've got some bacon that we've cooked and crumbled, so I'm going to sprinkle that on. And then I will also top with some cheddar cheese.
Yum.
So good.
So earlier when we prepared our potato skins, of course there's all that great potato flesh. Don't toss that. There's a lot of good things you can do with that. Of course, just eating it as mashed potatoes or mashed sweet potatoes is a great option. But you could also do like fancy croquettes. I think that's what it's called when you like fry that. So that would be a good option.
I'm going to start sprinkling cheddar on yours too.
Oh, thank you. But yeah, just in case you thought we tossed that, we did not.
No. All right, so these go back in the oven then, just until that cheese is melted. So just really a couple minutes.
Yes. And then for our topping today, we have our non-fat plain Greek yogurt that's going on top of both of the potato skins. And then for the bacon and cheddar potato skins, we're doing some sliced green onions on top, which is perfect for that bacon and cheddar combination. And then we're doing chopped cilantro on top of the chicken chipotle chicken.
Yes, so I'm trying Casey's work.
Yes.
Our
And I'll
chipotle chicken sweet potatoes.
give yours a try.
I'm gonna use a knife to
Yeah, get all that goodness,
some of this chicken
the
on here.
filling out of here. Oh my gosh.
I love the smokiness of the chicken.
I can't believe we made this. Like, this tastes like restaurant quality.
Completely.
Yeah.
Go us.
Yes, go us. We'll skip the restaurant and make these potato skins in your own kitchen tonight.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit fastfoods.com.